transitional thing. And although I did see something that said that he thought that maybe he wanted to.